Welcome to Your Business App. This is your place to keep up to date on your digital services, communicate with your customers, and find in-depth information on how your business is performing online. Let's connect your accounts into Business App. With your accounts connected, Business App will compile reports for you. For example, once enough data has populated, click into the dashboard to see high-level metrics about your post performance and Google Business Profile engagement. You will need the login credentials for your Facebook and Google, and you'll need to have admin or management access for your business profiles. Go to Settings, then click Connections. Let's connect Facebook. Click the plus and log in. The next screen will show you the list of accounts you have access to. Click Select All to highlight all pages. If you don't, then Facebook may become disconnected later. Click through the screens, keeping all permissions on, until you are at this screen, where you will select one of your Facebook pages, the one whose data you want to populate into Business App. Connecting Google accounts works similarly. Let's connect a Google Business Profile. After you enter your credentials, you'll be prompted to give permission, and then we're back once again where we can select the right business profile. Easy. Here's Inbox. You can use Inbox for all kinds of incoming and outgoing communication. To start, click Send a Message. Give it a try by sending an SMS message to yourself. Also, by clicking the Contact button in the bottom left corner of Business App and clicking Send a Message from the pop-up, you can easily get in touch with us. You can keep track of any of the services our team is providing for your business. Go to Projects to find a list of the work that is in progress. Click the drop-down menu to see all of the details. You can find notes from the team and see the due dates. You can also look back at past projects under the Completed tab. The Executive Report is a powerful feature. It's a weekly and monthly report that compiles data from products, services, and connections. It highlights your online performance and areas to improve. You'll get a notification when these reports are ready for you. Look through your key metrics and check historic reports by clicking the date in the top right corner. And there you have it. Keep exploring Business App and be sure to reach out if you need help.